Financial planners suggest only investing 1% to 5% of your overall portfolio in crypto. Despite its booming popularity, the crypto market is extremely volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly overnight. But before we start our video, welcome everyone to Crypto 2 Million, a channel where you get your daily dose of XRP and everything about crypto. If you like the content, do give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, so you can know every time we upload a new video. Ethereum is the most well-known altcoin, and it's much more than just another cryptocurrency for many investors and enthusiasts alike. And experts say it could grow in value by as much as 400% in 2022. Ethereum's native token, Ether, ETH, has grown immensely in value since its creation. Launched in 2015 by computer programmer Vitalik Buterin, Ether has increased in price from $0.311 at its 2015 launch to around $4,800 at its highest late last year, with plenty of volatility along the way. Though Ether's price dipped below $2,800 Friday, it still represents a lifetime return on investment, ROI, of over 700,000% at the time of writing. A differentiating feature for Ethereum, unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, is its utility as a software network that allows developers to build and power new tools, apps, and NFTs. The blockchain-based software network has many uses and applications across the tech world, especially for gaming, music, entertainment, and decentralized finance, DeFi, making it one of the most popular and widely used cryptos this past year. At an annualized rate, Ether's ROI is nearly 300%. That means early investors have nearly quadrupled their investment every year since the summer of 2014. Crypto prices are notoriously volatile, however, so financial experts say to only invest what you can afford to lose, and never at the expense of foundational goals like emergency savings and high-interest debt payoff. So how high do experts expect Ether's price to climb? Here's a look at the factors contributing to Ethereum's volatile, yet upward climbing, price projections, and what experts predict for this year. We asked 3 experts how high they see Ethereum going this year, and each qualified their predictions by saying it is nearly impossible to predict the future price of Ethereum, and other experts have said ETH's price will be even more volatile than Bitcoin in the coming months. Mainly because Ethereum is transitioning its technology to a less energy-intensive version that insiders colloquially refer to as Ethereum 2.0, Ethereum's upgrades could make it more appealing and sustainable for widespread use. But until that happens, experts are waiting to see how investors and companies building their tech on Ethereum's platform respond to the changes. Given these factors, here are some predictions for what to expect with Ethereum's price this year. Despite the challenge of predicting the price of a volatile cryptocurrency, the experts we spoke with generally agree it could once again break $4,000 in 2022, and a recent Ethereum prediction by Bloomberg intelligence analyst Mike McClone has it ending the year between $4,000 to $4,500. The crypto news outlet Coinpedia predicted ETH could end 2022 between $6,500 and $7,500 if the same bullish upswing that started in mid-2021 were to continue. However, 2022 brought a bearish downturn in the crypto market, making it clear that Ethereum's price is not going to rise from sentiment alone. The blockchain now has considerable competition from similar platforms that are filling in its gaps while the Ethereum team works to transition to its second-generation updates. Henri Arslanian, global crypto leader of the professional services firm PwC in a January 12 episode of CoinDesk's First Move, said that Ethereum was the only show in town, but for Ether's price to continue rising, investors will need to see improved demand and functionality. On the other hand, Ian Balina, investor and founder of crypto research and media company Token Metrics, says, "I believe Ethereum can go to $8,000. Ethereum is the clear leader, but other blockchains are onboarding new users at a faster pace due to Ethereum's high gas fees and low transaction speed." Coinpedia predicts an even higher price of $12,962.33 in 2022 if Ethereum's upcoming transition to Ethereum 2.0 is successful. The new upgrades could potentially make Ethereum more affordable for users to mint and develop products, as right now the service fees to use Ethereum are notoriously high. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a great help to you. Share your views in the comments section down below. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.